Better Boat waterproof tape right here. It's a marine tape that is supposed to seal many different varieties of surfaces. I'm going to use it to seal my metal shed here. I don't know if you can see there's a hole there, and a hole there. And it's rusted through. So what I'm going to do is put this tape on top of the shed up here, and I'm going to double seal it with this Gorilla waterproof patch and seal. I think that should do the trick. But let me show you what I'm going to do. Let me show you how it works. All right, so when you get this, it's got this label wrapped around here. So you're obviously going to have to take this label off of here, and somewhere in the middle is going to be a seal. And there were 2 pieces of clear tape on here that were really hard to see because it was clear. So just use your fingernail, find it, peel it off, and once you do, you can expose this section of it. This is the side that's going out, and this is the adhesive backing on this side. So I got the 15-foot version of it. Pretty simple. You just find, how much you want to use on here, measure it out, cut it off, and I'm going to use that 3 or 4 times. So I'm just going to use this as a template to cut a few other strips. Now I've cleaned this off as well as I'm going to clean it. You pull this adhesive backing off here, and you just apply it onto the surface that you want it on, and you just pat it down, and there you go. This stuff's pretty rigid. Hold it in my hand right here. It's pretty easy to work with. There we go. Waterproof in the shed. Okay,